Supine yoga, yoga on your back. Most people associate this practice with the end of a class as you're coming down to the floor for Shavasana, the final meditation pose in an average class. However, for some students, supine yoga is a great practice. Maybe you're struggling with a condition such as depression, chronic pain, chronic fatigue, fibromyalgia, multiple sclerosis, something that's causing you to really struggle with mobility and getting out of bed. Perhaps no animal better represents a supine practice than the otter. The otter is famous for floating on its back in order to find food. It picks up shellfish, starfish, sometimes an anemone, sometimes urchins, things that other animals can't eat because the challenge is too great to overcome. And so the otter will collect these shellfish, these pointy, prickly, hardened creatures, and find ways to break them open. And the only way the otter can do this is to float on its back. In this way, we're going to learn how to overcome any challenges we may have with our yoga practice and figure out what to do on those days that we just otter stay in bed.